Okay, I have one today. It's not like super moving. It's not going to make you cry, but I think it's pretty remarkable, and it made me laugh. Um, so this guy, um, Mitchell Brotherson, had a girlfriend named Jenna, and Jenna was feeling pretty overwhelmed with her life and the relationship, and she broke up with him. She broke it off. He was pretty upset, as we are when people break up with us, but it was a normal breakup. And the next day, Mitchell went skiing in Utah, and he had an accident, and he hit his head, went unconscious, came to when they were taking him down the slope, and he didn't know where he was or what was going on, and then it came back, and so an interesting thing happened. The memory of the breakup was gone. He had no idea that his girlfriend had broken up with her, so he needed a ride home. He couldn't. I guess he couldn't drive, so. Or maybe he was at the hospital, I'm not sure exactly, but he started sending her texts, can you come pick me up? And the texts were occurring as if they hadn't broken up, and Jenna was pretty confused about that. But she eventually she decided, well, maybe he took the let's be friends seriously. So she just went and picked him up, right? And she went on in the ensuing days over the next month behaving as if they were friends and they had broken up, and everything seemed pretty normal. The only thing that she noticed was he seemed more understanding and attentive to her and kinder, and just like after about a month, she decided, you know what, maybe I made a mistake. So she set up a meet with him to say, I think we should start dating again. And when she says this to him, he's like, what? He had no idea that he'd broken up. They thought they had continued dating. Now, I would ask a couple of questions, like, you thought you were still dating, you went for a month. Were you not kissing her or having intimate contact? Something seems a little off of that. But I'm going to suspend my disbelief here and believe that this whole thing's true. And they ended up getting married, and they've been married for 4 years. So that's the story today. I think it's kind of funny. I think it originally was in People magazine, but I think it's this is an article in Brides magazine. So guys, you want to get on this Brides magazine article right away. So it's in the description if you want to read the whole thing. I think it's a pretty funny story. Anyway, hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow.